Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a payment link for your product in your Whop account. So first, make sure that you have logged in into whop.com and then access the hub page. This is the hub page. Then select a Whop where you can find the product that you need a payment link. For me, this is the Henry Goes For You Whop. Then after selecting this, select the products tab here. Then as you can see, this is my first product with a price of $29. Now as you can see, there's a copy product link here. Click this button and then paste it in our new tab. And that's it. That is how you can generate or create a payment link for your product. And as you can see here, this is the product that I have endorsed earlier or shown to you earlier with a price of $29 and a get access button. And that is how you can create a payment link for your Whop product or for your Whop account. Thank you for listening.